Good morning guys, in this video we'll consider forms in Excel. So let's start the video without delay. Before that, do subscribe to the channel and watch till the end. Let's start the video. So here first step is to convert your data into table. For that all you need to do is just select your data and click insert menu. There you have to select table. When you select table, you can see a pop-up comes. There you have to check my table has headers also. After checking that, click OK button. By this way, you will be able to convert your data into a table. That is the first step. After that, you can select a particular design for your table. For that, you can see so many designs are available from the design section. I am selecting this one. Now the second step is you have to convert this table into a form. You can see no form icon is available on the menu section. For that, all you need to do is click the quick access icon. When you click that, you can see there you have to select more commands. When you select more commands, you can see a new pop-up comes. There under quick access section, you have to change to commands note in the ribbon. When you select that, if you scroll down, you can see forms. Select forms and click add button. When you click add button, it will be added to the quick access toolbar and then you can press OK button. Now the form icon is available on the quick access toolbar. If you select any cell on the table and click forms icon, you can see a pop-up comes. In this pop-up, you can design your table into a form. All you need to do is, first of all, this new window contains all the column names with their values. You can just scroll down to get all the rows. Apart from that, so many functions are available. You can create new row. You can delete all the existing row. You can search for any row or cell based on a criteria. If you want to modify any cell value, that also possible in this window. Like that, so many functions are available in this window. For creating a new row, all you need to do is just click the new button. Now you can see all the cell value are empty. Now fill with your value as per your requirement. After filling that, just press enter button. When you press enter button, you can see that particular row is added to the table. If you want to delete a particular row, all you need to do is just select that row by scrolling up and down. After selecting the row, you have to press the delete button. Here I have selected the row where the product is radio. Once you press the delete button, you can see that particular row is deleted. By this way, you will be able to delete any particular row using this form window. Here the advantage is that you can apply data validation to any of your cell on the table. Here I am selecting a cell from the unit price column. For this cell, I am going to apply data validation. All you need to do is from the data menu, click data validation. When you click that, a pop-up comes. Here you have to select your criteria. Here on this particular cell, I will be allowing whole number and next you have to give the range. Here I am giving the minimum as 50 and maximum as 5000. After giving the range, just click OK button. Yes, now for that particular cell, the data validation is applied. Let's do a test. For that, click the forms icon. You can see the new window. Here select any of the row and change your unit price. You can see when I give below 50, it is giving the validation. Retry again. Now give above 5000. You can see the validation. Yes, that means data validation is successfully applied. By this way, you will be able to give data validation to any cell of your table. Next, you can search for any cell on this table by using form window. All you need to do is just click the button criteria and then select any of the column. Here I am selecting unit price and giving the value equal to 40. Means give me that row where unit price is equal to 40. After that, press enter. You can see that particular row where the unit price is equal to 40 is available now on the window. Here you can use equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than or equal to as per your requirement. By this way, you will be able to apply any criteria on this forms window. So guys, that's all in this video. In this video, I have considered forms in Excel. If you have any doubt, write in the comment section. If you like this video, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.